name is Chinedu Eya, and I'm just a concerned citizen. I feel for people when I see them going through certain things. One thing I feel for is the environment where I find myself at certain times, and the people who are predominantly the dwellers of that environment. We have these people in the Lagos State Polytechnic axis of Ikorodu, and you know, this place is predominantly occupied by students. The rate of suffering in this area, not only because of any other thing, is just because of the road. The road is so bad.
Whenever it rains, it's war. A pregnant lady just fell down right here. We have to rush her to the hospital too. Please, Lagos State government, Sanwo-Olu to be precise. This is Ikorodu, opposite Lagos State Polytechnic. The students are suffering. The road is very, very, very bad.
Kò jẹ́ kó bísínẹ́sì lọ, kò jẹ́ kó jà mú fún rárá. Ẹni tó bá gbọ́kadà tó ṣubú lónìí só máa tún padà wá lọ́la láti wá láti. Wọ́n wá bá wa ṣojú ọ̀nà ìkan jọ̀ ọ́ o, kíjọba jọ̀ kó rántí wa nínú àdúrà o. Wọ́n wá bá wa ṣojú ọ̀nà yìí, ojú ọ̀nà yìí ò dáa rárá o. Àwọn ọmọ gan-an tójò bá ti rọ̀ wọ́n lè lọ skul, ṣe làwọn ọmọ máa ń ṣubú.
A fẹ́ kíjọba bá wa ṣe ọ̀nà náà, kí ọ̀nà yẹn dáa, torí ó máa yọ̀ wá ṣubú tí òjò bá rọ̀ sí àìrídìí bẹ́ẹ̀ sẹ̀ sí.
I want to call on the Lagos State government to address this thing. This is a place where they are raising the future of this country. So there should be equality in the environment so that the children can even learn. If they keep learning in this kind of environment, what are they going to transfer to the next generation? Are they going to transfer dirtiness? Are they going to transfer the cult activities going on around here? Do you know that if things happen in First Gate, it's almost impossible to get to First Gate, because the police cannot get in here. The roads are so bad. Now, it's really, really festering or in some form sponsoring these people to continue in ill behavior. I really think the Lagos State government should come to the aid of these people. And the children should be encouraged in certain things, provide some facilities like some recreational sports within here, since it is within the school environment. We are not talking about the school. They don't have hostels in school. Most of these students in this place stay in this community. They stay in Lagos State Polytechnic area, Lambo Lasunwa area of Lagos State, and it is called First Gate. So if Lagos State should just come to the aid of these people, consider the generation after you, so that they can have the quality, the right mindset to rule this country to where it should be.
This is Lagos State Polytechnic. You know, I heard from story that the first federal road in Lagos State is this Lagos State, Last Protect Road. So why is it that government don't even look up to this place to come over here to do, you know, a lot of things? And when you are fighting for election, you normally come here. There's a lot of votes that you see here that your vote counts here. You understand? Nobody come here after election. You can see as if it's unfair, it's not good.
I see Governor Sanwo-Olu as a very, very responsible person, a trustworthy person. Please remember us here in Ikorodu. Even those that represent us in Ikorodu, they are not doing well. Please, you yourself, do something for us here.
All we need Sanwo-Olu to do for us right now, let's fix this road. Give us gutter, give us good lights. I swear you love First Gate. First Gate is the best place that has ever happened. Ask.
I call on our beautiful and able and amiable governor, His Excellency Sanwo-Olu, to come to the aid of these people. Thank you so much, and thank you, Lagos State, for giving us the opportunity to be around and giving us this little voice, because if I didn't have one, I won't be using it. Thank you so much.